Welcome to Inner Kakus. MMM. Together we change the world. This is MMM. You wanna know the tree that produces the money MMM gives you? Fuck you. You wanna know where the money comes from? Fuck you. You don't wanna know how we made the money? Fuck you. All you need to know is enjoy the fucking money. Money. You need money, guy. You need fucking money. You don't never need to stress yourself. You don't ever fucking need to keep knowing how things are made. You don't even fucking need to make research. You don't even fucking need to go about asking, how do we make the fucking money? The money is there. We give you what you need. Do you need a car? We're gonna make it for you. Do you need a house? We're gonna make a fucking house for you. You need anybody? We are here for you. You get the foreign people you need. We do everything for you. You need to make a road. You get the fucking money and you make a fucking lot. So guy, forget about the tree that makes the money MMM gives you. There is no tree that produces money in the world. Or do you have any tree? You can never have a tree that produces money. If you dare, we're gonna bring you down. If you dare, we're gonna shut you down. We are MMM. And you don't need to know things about us. All you need is enjoy the fucking money. Enjoy the fucking money. Just be the fucking happy you wanna be. All you need is the money. You need to see your account growing. You need to see your bank alerts. You need to be receiving bank alerts every month. You need to see everything that goes. You need to always be happy. This is MMM. And MMM is here to stay and make you fucking happy. Forget about the tree that produces the money. Get rich or you die trying.